Saturday was an unlucky day for Bobby. In the morning, he was in a bike race, and he led from the start. Unfortunately, his front tire burst, and he had to stop 50 meters from the finish. When he went home, he put his clothes in the washing machine, but he mistook the cold wash setting for the hot wash setting, and all his clothes shrank. Luckily, when he gave them to his younger brother, they fit him perfectly. What has just happened? It has been an unlucky day for Bobby. He has led a bike race from the start, but his tire has burst 50 meters from the finish. He has gone home, and he has mistaken the cold water setting on the washing machine for the hot water setting, and his clothes have shrunk. Luckily, they have fit his younger brother perfectly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today. Don't forget to visit our website www.elearningenglish.com, and please tell us in the comments what your favorite video was. Bye for now.